So the biggest upcoming Solana meme coin is here, and I will show you the proof why this could be the 10x, the 100x, multi-billion-dollar meme coin. Here it is. Here you can see Ansem, the biggest Solana meme coin influencer, basically started talking about this HOUSECOIN 2 days ago, and it went from 20 million, 11 million in market cap to right now $66 million in market cap. But I will show you the biggest thing, why I think this will go up. And first of all, again, here you can see he's basically posting multiple times about this HOUSECOIN. And if you're looking at crypto chart right here, Bitcoin is actually recovering. It went down below 94,000. Here I will show you 93, 90, almost even 92, 900,000. Right now we are back. And I think we will keep pumping because it's Monday. And if we didn't dump, most likely that we will keep going up. And here is the chart. Here you can see the point when basically Ansem started talking and all the influencers joined. It went from 11 million to 70 million. But if you think about it, what is 70 right now? $66 million for a in market cap for a meme coin that is being shielded by the biggest influencers. And here you can see even the Solana co-founder talked about HOUSECOIN. If you just search HOUSECOIN on X on Twitter, just search and start scrolling down, you will see huge influencers with thousands, 20,000, 100,000 followers are basically talking about this coin. Here you can see I'm just scrolling and there are 100,000. Ansem himself has, I think, million followers. So everyone right now is talking about the HOUSECOIN and looking at the fact that Bitcoin just pumped and we are not still in a big euphoria because the first pump is not the main pump. If we pump right now to 99,000, that's when the retail will come back and we will see a big meme coin runners, and this HOUSECOIN will be one of the biggest in my opinion. Why I think that is because HOUSECOIN, it's a really, really simple name. Everyone understands it. I think the biggest meme coin should be Dogecoin, not Dogecoin, because these simple terms, everyone understands, even people that are not from USA or not speaking English, they understand what means house. And yeah, one HOUSECOIN is one house. That's a great narrative. Means people will expect HOUSECOIN to go to 100,000, 200,000 per coin, which is obviously not possible because if this goes $6, this means 100x, that would be 6 billion. Well, 100x I can understand, that would be $6 billion in market cap. If we get the crypto euphoria, 6 billion market is nothing because Shiba Inu was around 54 billion in 2021. And that wasn't really the meme coin cycle, that was the NFT cycle. Right now, the meme coin cycle is much bigger and we will see bigger runner-ups. And if we are looking at, for example, Dog with Hat, which is one of the biggest Ansem shills, the biggest meme coin that Ansem is shilling, the all-time high for this was 4.5 billion. Now imagine if he starts shilling HOUSECOIN and if it goes from 66 million. Right now here you can see the chart. It was actually at around like 6,000. Here you can see some people were actually buying. These are the trenchers that are buying in the first minutes and selling in the basically next seconds. That's why here you can see some people actually bought and sold immediately, but later it went to 15 million, 10 million. And here you can see the last 2 days basically went crazy. I actually bought some at 72 million. Right now, the market cap is 66 million. So I have some losses, but that's a short term. I think in the long term, in few days, we could reach actually some 300 million, 500 million. I think that will be nothing because again, everyone, and here you can see 240,000 for this he tweeted 1 hour ago. Everyone is basically talking about HOUSECOIN, and at 70 million, that's a great entry because again, if this is a $1 billion coin, that would be already around 12x, 13x gains from this point. And yeah, again, 66 million for a meme coin on Solana that basically has everyone talking about it is nothing. And yeah, the most important part is that we need Bitcoin to pump. And actually, Bitcoin is pumping right now 95,000 in few seconds. So we have insane market right now. Let's hope for Solana and altcoins to pump as well. Solana at 151, which is nice. It just dumped it dumped to 149, but right now you can see 152. So insane. And if the whole market is pumping, HOUSECOIN will definitely go up. And there are so many huge things that are happening behind the scenes. The 21 company that is named 21. I will show you, and this will make you bullish. This is insane. So here it is, a new Bitcoin giant just launched basically 2 days ago with 42,000 Bitcoin on day one. I think that's around 4 billion in Bitcoin or something like that. And it's backed by SoftBank, Tether, and Cantor Fitzgerald. Now, SoftBank is one of the biggest companies, I think, in Asia. I don't know if it's in China or Singapore, but this is a huge deal. This is the company. It's called 21, a purpose-built Bitcoin native holding vehicle. So basically what Strategy is doing with Michael Saylor. And Michael Saylor is happy because obviously if they are buying Bitcoin right now, the whole Bitcoin price will go up, and who should not be happy that is holding Bitcoin. The craziest part is that if we are talking about the halving of Bitcoin, which means it is 2 times harder to mine Bitcoin, and if we are looking at the fact that these companies will be buying Bitcoin like hundreds of millions every month or even every week, which means that is like cutting the Bitcoin supply by half, which means that there will be more people buying and there will be less Bitcoin that has been mined, which means that price will go up significantly. That's why I personally raise my Bitcoin all-time high for this cycle to around 500,000 per Bitcoin. And again, many people don't understand how huge this is. These are basically financial institutions buying Bitcoin like a reserve asset. Soon countries will be jumping in, and of course countries will be the last ones, or the retail will be the last one. But smart companies are launching these Bitcoin reserve funds that are just scooping up Bitcoin and paying some yield to people that are basically giving them money, something like that. I don't understand it deeply, but this is similar to Saylor. They are buying Bitcoin. Bitcoin price will go up significantly, which is insane. And this is just a start. And this is the result of the fact that basically Trump and his administration is very, very bullish on Bitcoin. They are unfreezing all the companies. The SEC lawsuits are being dropped. And that's, again, is the fact why don't fade this space. The next 4 years for crypto will be insane. And again, I am personally trading on BullX. Here you can see where I buy. You can auto sell. You can set your own gas fees, because it is really important to set your own gas fees, because when we have a big coins or we have a euphoria, there is a big chance that Phantom Wallet or Jupiter Exchange or just Solana gets so congested that your transactions can fail on Phantom Wallet, or just basically swapping on decentralized exchanges. And that the reason is because you cannot set your gas fees. The higher the gas fees, the bigger chance that your transaction will go through. And imagine if there is a huge coin that is dropped by some huge celebrity, and everyone jumps on, like hundreds of thousands of people. And because of that, there is a high chance that your swaps on Phantom Wallet cannot go through. And imagine if you try to buy coin and you use BullX, you can set your own gas fees. You will set it so high that you will be basically front running hundreds of thousands of people. And imagine you buying and only after you bought, because you bought the fastest, you can set your own gas fees on Bullets. Only then, 10 minutes later, 5 minutes later, people are buying the coin and basically pumping it up, but you bought it before them. That's why you will get the biggest gains. That's basically my tactic, is using this platform, because again, you can set your own gas fees, you can auto sell, you can auto buy, you can dollar cost average into some coins, so you can sell and buy while you are sleeping. And yeah, that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed this video. HOUSECOIN, in my opinion, is a multi-billion dollar coin. Let's hope for a 10 billion or something like that. But right now we are at 66 million. Everyone is talking about it. Again, Ansem, the Solana co-founders, you can just basically type HOUSECOIN on search and just scroll down. You will see literally everyone with hundreds of thousands of followers are talking about HOUSECOIN. Really, really insane. Soon you will see every exchange listing this HOUSECOIN on their exchanges, on Coinbase, on Binance, everyone. So again, 1 billion is nothing in my opinion. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.